In this tutorial I will show you how to edit TikTok drafts. Open up the TikTok app and tap on the profile button. Tap on Drafts. Select the draft that you would like to edit. You will be brought to the posting screen. To edit your draft, tap the back arrow in the top left corner. Here you can then edit your draft as you like. You can add more footage to your video. To do that, tap the back arrow in the top left. You can record to add more footage to your video. Tap the tick in the bottom right. You can then edit your draft with the new footage. When you are done, tap Next. Choose to post your video or save it as a draft.